If you want to read what people's WhatsApp chat without their phone, then you should watch this video to the very end. If my wife is watching this video right now, I know she will be smiling. So what you need to do is to click the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Click on link device. When you click on that link device, then it's going to give you a button that also say link device again. So when you see that link device button, then you have to click on it again. So when you click on that, then you have to go to your browser, type this web address. When you type that web address, it will give you this barcode. Scan it. When you scan it, then it's going to come out this way. So when you click on link device, you scan the barcode. When you click on that barcode, make sure you scan it. Then when you scan it, either with phone browser or laptop or anything, just scan it. When you scan it, it connects the person WhatsApp to your browser. Then it will load. When it's load, it's connecting. Then right now you can start reading the chat. Follow for more.